Welcome to the video tutorial on how to export reports and drawings in Tunnel module. To export section drawing, click on Print Section icon. In the Print Sections window, you can select the chainage range by selecting From and To Chainage in Set tab, or else you can select Individual Chainages by checking the respective box in Individual tab. In Drawing Type, select Individual Drawing or Multiple Sections and set the drawing scale. In Preview window, do settings for section per row and column. Click on Drawing to export all sections to CAD package. To get area and volume report, click on the Export button in Tunnel window. Select layer which you want to take report, then click on the Export button. You can see a sample area and volume report as shown. Thank you for watching this video. In this video tutorial, you learned how to export reports and drawings.